Hello, good class. This is our maths lesson for today. Today, for our maths lesson, like we were doing before half term, I'm going to say a number and you need to show me on your fingers that number. You've got to do it as quick as you can. Are you ready? Are your fingers ready? Good, then let's go. The first number I want you to show me is 5. Fantastic. Did it look like this? Well done. High five. The next number I'd like you to show me is 2. Well done. Did it look like this? And the last number I'd like you to show me is 9. Well done. Did it look like this? Fantastic. Well done. Today in maths we are going to be looking at these. These are called Numicon. Now you have a copy, a photocopy, a picture of these Numicon in your emergency pack. If you haven't got it with you now, can you stop the video and find it? Fantastic. So we're ready to start. Let's have a recap of what Numicon is and what it does. So these are Numicon and they have a hole in them to tell us what number it is. So this one has one hole, so it's number 1. Let's put it there so you can see. Move these back. 1. This one is 2. This one, 3. This one, 4. Oh, move it down a bit so you can see it. This one, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. This one, number 10, is the one we will be focusing on today. So ordinarily, we would use the Numicon to work out number bonds. If you have Numicon at home, you can try this too. Let me show you what I mean. So we'd have our 10 Numicon and we put it on the table in front of us. Then we need to choose 2 other Numicons that fit exactly on top that show us a number bond. So, for example, I could use the 2 Numicon, put it on top like that. Then I could use the 8 Numicon, and that makes 10 because it fits perfectly on top. So it shows you the number bonds. You can use that to write a number sentence. So, for example, I know, I'm going to use my pen, that 2 adds 8, because that's the 8 Numicon, 8 equals 10. And I can use that to work out all the number bonds for 10. But don't worry, if you don't have Numicon at home, I'm going to show you a way to use just that printout sheet that you got for working out number bonds to 10. Okay, so we're going to make our own Numicon. What you're going to need is some paper, like I've got, and I've got some more here. So some paper, and you'll need to draw a 10 Numicon. I'm going to trace around mine, but you can just draw a rectangle. So I'm going to use blue because the 10 Numicon is blue. And I'm going to trace around it. Oh, I'll decide. And then I'm going to draw my 10 circles inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I've made a 10 Numicon like that. And I'm going to use this to work out some number bonds. When you've drawn your 10 Numicon, what you then need is 2 different colours. So I've got 2 different colours. And what I'm going to do now, like we did with our 5 number bonds, is colour in some of the circles. It's easier if you do one colour at a time and keep those colours together to help you count. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4 in green, and I'm going to do the others in red. Now I've coloured in the 2 different colours to work out a number bond, and I can use that to make a number sentence. So in the green I've coloured 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write number 4. Add. In red I coloured 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 4. Add 6 equals, and I know it has to be 10 because it was a 10 Numicon and I'm learning my number bonds. So 10. 4 add 6 equals 10. If you're not sure, you can always count them. Now let me show you another way to do it. For this way, you'll need to draw around your 10 Numicon again, or make your own one. So let's do it again. And my 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. Now this time, instead of colouring in the circles, we're going to use the other Numicon to fill it up like we would if we were putting them on top. Now, if you don't have Numicon, you can use the pictures that you're in your emergency pack to help you know what shape and what colour to draw. So I'm going to use the 7 Numicon and I'm going to draw that shape in pink. So I know it's this shape. So I'm going to draw it onto my Numicon, making sure that I do it correctly. So now it looks like this. Now I need to colour in, not the circles, but around the circles, like the shape of the Numicon. So let me show you what that looks like. And then above that, I need to do the number 3 Numicon. So I need to colour it in yellow. So it will look like this, where I've done the 7 Numicon and the 3 Numicon. And I can use this again to make another number sentence. So my number sentence for this one would be 7. So let's write 7. Adds 3 equals 10. 7 add 3 equals 10. Challenge 1. Can you draw your rectangle and make sure you put 10 circles in there? Count them carefully to make sure that there's 10. Challenge 2. Can you use the Numicon that you've made and your 10 circles to work out a number bond and tell me in a sentence what that number bond is? For example, like this one, 4 add 6 equals 10. Make sure you tell me in a sentence like this. So 4 add 6 equals 10. Challenge number 3. Can you have a go at doing it the other way, like Miss Lynch did, where you make the Numicon and work out your number sentences using the Numicon colours like Miss Lynch? You'll need to think carefully about what colour and shape your Numicon is. Remember, you can use your emergency pack pictures to help you. Mums and dads, as always, make sure you put your children's work on tapestry and let me know in the comments how your children found this math lesson. Stay safe, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.